This is a demonstration of Trailhead AI from Zia. Traditional document data extraction, like older OCR or rules-based systems, relied on fixed templates, regular expressions, or zone-based mapping. Trailhead uses AI models to do this in a very different way, which provides the flexibility, accuracy, and adaptability needed for increased accuracy of difficult documents. Trailhead reads context. It can extract entities, relationships, and semantic meaning from documents. It uses computer vision plus natural language processing models to understand the document's structure, such as tables, headers, and fields, even if layouts and text vary between documents. In this demo, Trailhead will process some employment eligibility verification, or I-9 forms. Trailhead uses natural language prompts to tell the AI agents what to do. It can work with cloud-based AI platforms like ChatGPT, or it can provide on-premise AI models if the data and documents cannot leave your site. In this example, the AI prompt is something like, analyze the attached compound I-9 image and extract the following information: Social Security number, first name, last name, document titles, etc., for all of the data that you need from the form. For this demo, we are using Tungsten Total Agility as the capture process backbone. In this example, we have a simple 4-step process. Documents can come in a variety of ways, such as from scanners, email import, folder import, or web upload. The first step, document review, is an optional step, and documents will only stop there if the system is not confident that they are I-9 forms. Next, Trailhead takes over and passes the documents to an AI agent, either in the cloud or on site, where it uses the LLM of your choice data. Upon completion, the data is passed back into the capture process, where it can be validated if needed, and then exported along with the PDF document to any line of business system. Let's take a look at this in action. This is the Total Agility scan and import interface. Let's import a couple of I-9 forms and we'll run them through Trailhead. There's no real employee data on either of these forms. Okay, so we can see that one of these forms is machine print. It's pretty clean. The highlighted fields are there just to show you what Trailhead is going to extract. It's not actually using that in the extraction process. The other form is handprint, and it's older. It's a little bit skewed. It's a different variation. There's even cursive here at the bottom. We'll go ahead and create the job and send that into the process. The next step is going to send it into Trailhead. We're looking at the Total Agility work queue, and we can see that the sample images have successfully processed through Trailhead and are ready for review. We'll look at the machine print form first and see how Trailhead did. In this extraction review or validation interface, we can see all the fields that were extracted from Trailhead on the left. And it's done a really good job. Last name Stanford, first name employee. It's concatenated the address, which is something that the prompt told it to do. There's no coding or anything additional required to make that work. Birth date, social security number, email address. I won't go through each field, but it's done a great job. It's extracted everything, the checkbox, as it should. And then in the documents section, there were 3 different documents here, and it successfully extracted each of those with the document title, issuing authority, document number, expiration date. And similarly with the fields at the bottom regarding the HR employee who's recording this form, it's extracted all of that as well, and also the employer address. If any of the labels for these fields change or their location changes, Trailhead will still be able to extract it because it's using an AI model. This one was good. Let's take a look at the handprint form and see how that did. Traditionally, handwriting is very difficult to extract properly. With Trailhead AI, it's no longer a problem. We can see in the fields on the left that it's done a very impressive job. If I Zoom in a little bit here, we can see, for example, the address is cursive. It's even hard to tell what the word is by the human eye, but it's able to successfully extract that and concatenate the address. Similarly, under the documents, EAD card is not written very well with the C kind of non-existent, but it's extracted it correctly. With AI, it knows what it should be. And also down at the bottom, we've got some additional difficult cursive writing. And if we take a look at those fields, it's also really gotten all of that correct. Prestige products and 2359 Midland Parkway are extracted properly. So this document, everything was extracted correctly, even though it was handwritten. This one could have bypassed the review process and gone straight to export. Trailhead AI is a game changer that makes it possible to automatically extract and process the most difficult documents without zones, regular expressions, or code. This completes the I9 demo. Thank you for your time.